Hey guys, let's create a funny cartoon scene in Canva. The first thing I'm gonna need is a story. But where I'm gonna get a funny story if I'm lazy and can't think of anything? That's easy. I will just steal the story. No, I'm just inspired. So to make the job of creating new characters easier, I'm going to use an already created Harry Potter character. I created this character in the last video. To create the story, we are gonna need some Harry Potter jokes. I googled these three to build my skit around. Now I know what the story is going to be about. I can create a scene. My idea is that Harry sits in the desk with Ron during Professor Snape's class, and Harry tells Ron a joke about Snape. The one about his hated drink. Snape hears the joke and tells Harry a joke about him. Then Harry will hit him back with joke about Lily. This upsets Snape, and he decides that Harry has won this round. As follow-up scene, to keep it from being an awkward joke-stealing scene, I'm going to create a secret scene for now. I will reveal both scenes at the end of the video. Now that I know what the scene is gonna be about, and I know who is gonna be in it, then I have to create the characters. I already have Harry's character. All I need to do is add contour lines so the character doesn't get lost in the background. Now I'm going to create Ron, starting by erasing the glasses, scar, and finally the hair. I will add new hair, freckles, and highlight the eyes, and that's it. Let's go to Snape. This is where we are gonna edit the clothes and especially the facial expressions. Before I finish, please consider like, subscribe if you are interested in animating with Canva. This is my first video where I'm using my own voice, so I would like to know your opinion. Thanks. The characters are ready. Let's go to the background. So I need a table and some beakers, the floor and the walls, a couple of windows. I'm gonna blur the walls and the windows a little bit to make characters stand out. So now I'm just gonna play with the light a little bit and I've got the background. And now the last thing before the animation, we need to record all the voices. I use Audacity software for editing. It's free. Here you can see the animation process. Canva was kind of laggy that day. Hey Ron, you know what kind of drink Snape hates most? Which one? Jameson? Mr. Potter, do you know what you call toilet with fur? Harry Potter. Funny, but why do you teach potions and not have biology? Because you couldn't keep Lil alive? Jameson.